Oh, that's brutal.
What the fuck was that? Bro! Like, dude, get me out of this thing, bro. It fucking stinks!
Hey, why are you laughing?